My name is Yahayabi Ali Kuje.
Oh, your name is okay. You have the have you voted?
Yes, I'm the first person to vote here.
Okay.
And Kuje Central, that's 001 unit.
What was the process like?
The process is we started exactly 8:30, and the process is okay. You have to give your card, they check your number on the list, then after that, they now give you the ballot paper. I mean, they will snap you with their, what do they call that?
The beavers.
The beavers. After snapping you, then they'll give you the ballot paper, then you go and vote the party for your choice.
Okay, so what would you, if you were to access INEC or give a pass mark, what would you rate INEC? What would your mark be?
Actually, for now, they started fine. And the people that are in Audley, they joined the line without any chaos.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So, Baba, what are you going to do now? Are you going to are you wait for the country?
For now, I'm not so that fine. I'm going home. Those that are going to stay, they are going to stay to see to the end of the voting. Yes. Thank you so much. My name is Yahayabi Ali Kuje.
Yeah, I've given them the. Okay, my name is Prof.Mgbeke Baba from Kuje Central Ward.
So tell us your service.
Okay, what I observe here, I've voted it. I'm the second person to vote in the polling unit now, 001. We in Kuje here, we don't have problem. People are turned up much. And by God's grace, we are going to make our election peaceful and honestly. And I wish the person that is going to win, that is APC, should match the winner.
How can you rate INEC officials?
The INEC official has addressed us, that he show us the boxes, the 2 boxes, councillor and chairman on, there is nothing there. He show us the ballot paper, all things are okay.
So you can rate them how many percent from 1 to 10?
10.
From 1 to 10, what can you rate them?
From 1 to 10?
Yeah, how can you rate them?
Raise them.
Rate them.
Okay, rate them. And they are trying. Since they have done 1, 2, 3, I see, and the machine is speaking. So the machine is okay. It's not like a pre-vote election that will have problem for a VVA and the other things. This one is okay.
Your name once again and your designation.
Ma?
Your name once again and your designation.
My name?
Your name once again. And who
Okay, my name is Adum Baba.
Who are you?
I have once a honorable councillor in Kuje Central here.
Say what?